Hello everyone, it's Lacey from Graham Auto Repair, and I am coming to you from what used to be the Mattress Ranch in Yelm, Washington. Hey everyone, it's Lacey from Graham Auto Repair, and I am coming to you with some awesome news. Graham Auto Repair is opening a second location. Right now, I'm standing in an empty building that used to be known as the Mattress Ranch. Get ready because our team at Graham Auto Repair is coming to Yelm in 2021. I am such a dork. We are all excited to be moving in. Check back on our Facebook page and our website often so that you can see all the updates. We are looking forward to this exciting new adventure. Thank you everyone for your support. It's the support of all of you that has made this possible. Bye.